Hi, so if you happily installed the new macOS 26 Tahoe update and then you logged back into your Mac and was met with this ridiculousness, you might want to revert back to a bit of a more old school look, especially regarding the icons in the dock and on the desktop as well as the top bar menu color. So to fix this, click on the Apple symbol up to the left and pick System Settings followed by Appearance. Here, under Icon and Widget Style, select Default to have all the icons look, well, as normal as they can at this point. In here, you can also change if you want a more transparent or tinted look for the new and stupid liquid glass interface. Also, if you feel that the top menu looks a bit weird, to get it back looking like it was before, as in that it was a little bit separated from the rest of the computer desktop, click on Menu Bar to the left in the menu here and then enable Show Menu Bar Background. That has for some reason been disabled during this update. Alright, not perfect, but better. Please though share any thoughts or questions regarding the new look in macOS and I'll do my best to help get rid of it. Thank you for watching. Bye.